I have nothing at all. 2 days ago, I linked Damage Music about a rhythm, and him send me the rhythm. Night before last night, I get up say Damage at this me on net. That a bad mind. What's the reason? I don't know if I true me not put up on the EP, my father, but we are friend. You have my number, or you could have text me. Don't do that. Number 2, me and Valiant voice a song. Me there be, I wait for Valiant them tell me say them come a be come shoot the video. And have bad boy and the whole line friend them stand up a be wait for you. Remember you this dance them and call my phone and beg me when they dance them for licking in your face. And me talk to the dance them. Zin? Me no bother want no song with you. Me scraps that song there. You get me I say bro car. I mean me no bother want no song with you. You get me I say? Number 3. Me take Mac off of my song. The only reason why me give you publishing are just because me a good youth. Mac don't own Drift. Mac no do nothing at all for Drift. Mac is just a little thieving boy. And all your little capachi them in your circle. Where I try highlight for try build an anti-gang against Teejay. It's so mash up. Me I tell you the truth. I mean know a little idiot Rasta boy who used to drive me pitney them go to school. When the thing kind of damage one at a time, he left from around me and I try spread propaganda upon me and I hold on to me see in a studio apart. So me I telling you from now. Damage, fuck creator, me just see I try post sitting on the net a while ago. Me say me ain't go pay no mind, you know. But I have to tell the people them say me ain't have nothing dog. That a bad mind you deal with my friend. You see me I say? You don't know what Teejay go through. Just because Teejay no come tell you no business, bro. Tell you my business and sit down with you and gossip and them thing there. Yeah, what go on the boss? Oh, forward now. Seem like you know see NWC come to check my water meter. Me a big man, you know, when a dog no feel like say, bro, true man now come sit down and tell you no man business and then thing they no feel like say, man own or something, dog, me no own or nothing, bro. No man a talk about them boss me, bro, cause me they don't have own alien, up top bass, shoot out anyhow with the shop than all of them song there. Rocks to Riches was just one of the songs that you bring come and it ended up to be a big song. Thank God, the two we put each other on road. But bro, me I try to show you how people stay, bro. If you have something against me, bro, me and your friend, bro. 2 days ago, me link you for already, man. You send me it, bro. Why you would have get in your feeling when me EP link drop Badman and gone pan it? Bro, me have a deluxe version for drop. Me have the album for drop. Bro, if me and your friend, bro, if I want picture, go make you pre me or I want post, me not think me and your friend. I just saw me look for life, bro. Bro, someone no brother, someone we call man friend dog, I kill and I try kill a thing, brother. You get me I say, cause you see, if me and somebody apart and something happen and we not deal, bro, go on boy your ways and me go on boy my ways, no big man. Go on boy your ways and me go on boy for me ways, no big man. Where you come pan it now, I try look a hype off fight. Bro, no can't hype off of me thing, brother. You see me? No can't hype off of me thing, bro. And Mac no do nothing for Drift. Straightforward, Mac never do nothing for Drift. Go suck your mama again, Mac. You know do nothing for Drift. Panda produce Drift. Drift boss pan Panda page pan TikTok. And if you say Drift done for last year, suck your mother again. Vex or no vex. Watch it from your son. No boy can diss me. I know a studio one day in idea. Lucky me name pull up around there. And go on. These people are man know no location.